order for the light to shine so brightly, the darkness must also be present. The famous quote by Francis Bacon. Hello friends, how are you? Hope you are doing good. Today we are going to do a new work about Lighthouse. So there I am going to show you how you can draw it and make a colorful background with it. So draw the subject properly. It's time to apply water on background. Please take a note which color I'm going to use, that is red, yellow, orange, blue and dark blue. So first of all, drop the red color from downside, then orange, then yellow. Please watch my video properly so you can understand my every step, how I am applying water, how I am dragging it and blending it with one another. Remember one thing, if you want to blend with one another, you must use the water properly. Most of person asked me a question that why their work is so opaque and so sticky. Because they didn't use the water properly. You always remember one thing, when you drop a color, you must use the water to mix them properly. Just watch my whole video so you can understand it step by step. For dark blue, I used little black with the Cobalt Blue. After finish your background, please wait and let them dry properly. You can use a hot gun, so it will take less time to dry. In Lighthouse, I used the gray color first and little brown and mixing them with water. This paper is 100% cotton based, 300 GSM, so you can choose your own paper. So I always suggest you to use 300 GSM. It will give you the best result of your watercolor. This is the Prussian blue I am using right now on rooftop. Just see, I am drop the color and using the water to blend this color. This time I am using only water. See, it's blending automatically. Now give them a few details with a liner brush. You can use a pen also. In this tutorial I use pen. You can see it after a few minutes later for some details. It doesn't matter, you can use pencil, you can use pen with watercolor. It's going to be mixed media. The color I am using, it's from Winsor and Newton brand. I will give you the product description and where you can find it in cheapest price. Always remember one thing, don't use much color in your subject when the media is watercolor. Try to use little color or try to finish your work with 2 layer. Maybe it's going to be 3 layer, but try to understand that if you are going to 4 5 layer means that you are applying the first tone, then waiting second tone, then waiting third tone, like that, like a tone based. We all know that watercolor is a transparent process, so you are going to use much color, much layer, the color will show up opaque, it will not look like a transparent color. You can see that my work is look like so transparent, so vibrant, less color, but subject is clear. So always try to do this with your work, with your subject. Try to use less color, try to use less layer, and must use water properly. Now I am using the pen for few details. You can use any kinds of gel pen or ball pen. Just giving them a few details, few lines like a sketch. It will give your work a unique look. Okay friends, if you like my video, please like, share and comment. If you have any question, ask me anytime. I am here always for you. See you soon with my next tutorial. Take care. Bye bye.